Have you ever wondered why some people seem genuinely happy, no matter what life throws at them? What if I told you the secret isn't in what they have, but in how they see what they already have? Welcome back to MindShift Media, the podcast where we explore the tools, habits, and mindsets that create meaningful change. I'm your host, Teodor, and today we're diving into a simple yet profound mindset that can literally rewire your brain for joy. Gratitude. This isn't just about saying thank you. It's about learning to recognize the good, even when life feels hard. And if you stick around, I'll share personal stories, science-backed insights, and 5 powerful gratitude habits you can start using today to feel happier, calmer, and more connected every single day. So take a breath, settle in, and let's explore the power of gratitude together. Let's start with a little science. Did you know that practicing gratitude can physically change your brain? Research from UCLA found that regularly expressing gratitude increases activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain associated with decision-making, emotional regulation, and empathy. Another study published in the journal Psychological Science found that participants who kept a daily gratitude journal reported significantly higher levels of happiness and lower levels of depression, even weeks after the study ended. Why does this happen? Because gratitude shifts your focus. Instead of scanning the world for danger like our brains are wired to do, gratitude trains your mind to notice what's going well. It builds emotional resilience, helping you bounce back faster from stress and setbacks. It's like updating your brain's software with a little more light and a lot more peace. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, a friend of mine, let's call her Maya, was going through a rough patch. She had just lost her job, her relationship had ended, and her self-worth had taken a hit. One day, she called me and said, "I wake up and immediately feel dread. I don't know how to pull myself out of this." We talked, and I gently suggested one thing. Try writing down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. Just 3. Doesn't matter how small, she laughed. What could I possibly be grateful for? But she gave it a shot. At first it was surface level. My coffee, the roof over my head, I'm still breathing. But something shifted. After a few weeks, her entries got deeper. I'm grateful for my resilience, for the friend who texted me out of the blue, for how I'm learning to sit with discomfort without panicking. Fast forward 6 months, Maya had started freelancing, reconnected with herself, and was waking up excited for the day. Did gratitude solve all her problems? No. But it gave her a new lens, one that helped her see herself not as broken, but as growing. And that's the power of perspective. That's the power of gratitude. Now let's get practical. Here are 5 simple gratitude habits that can help you feel happier every day, even when life is messy. 1. The 3-in-1 journal. Every morning, write down 1 thing you're grateful for, 1 thing you're looking forward to, 1 thing you're proud of. This combines gratitude with hope and self-worth, a triple boost for your mental health. 2. Gratitude before screens. Before you check your phone in the morning, pause. Say thank you for something, even silently. It could be, "Thank you for this bed," or "Thank you for waking up today." It centers your energy before the digital world takes over. 3. The thank you text. Once a week, send someone a message just to say thank you. Thank you for always listening. Thank you for that time you believed in me. Thank you for making me laugh. You'll feel amazing, and so will they. 4. Gratitude walks. Go for a 10-minute walk and look for things to be grateful for in your environment. The breeze, the trees, the sound of laughter, the fact that you're alive, breathing, and witnessing this moment. Walking plus gratitude. A natural mood booster. 5. Flip the script. When something frustrates you, pause and ask, "What can I still appreciate here?" Example, missed the bus? Well, I have time to breathe. Maybe I needed to slow down. It's not toxic positivity, it's mental flexibility. Gratitude doesn't ignore the negative. It just reminds you there's more to the story. Gratitude isn't just a solo practice, it's contagious. Studies show that expressing gratitude in relationships leads to deeper bonds and greater trust. In workplaces, it boosts morale and collaboration. In families, it creates warmth and resilience. So when you choose gratitude, you're not just healing your own heart. You're creating a ripple that touches everyone around you. One smile, one thank you, one moment of presence. It adds up. So, here's what I want you to remember from today. Gratitude is a powerful tool. It's free, accessible, and backed by science. It rewires your brain, shifts your mood, and strengthens your relationships. You can start today with just one breath, one word, one thank you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your world begins to change. If this episode spoke to you, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss more powerful conversations like this. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Drop it in the comments below. Let's start a gratitude wave. Until next time, stay kind, stay grounded, and stay grateful.